Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday, the February 20th, 2020, 2020. And Friday the 21st. As usual, we typically do not do market previews for Fridays. This will be no exception. This is options expiration for February, which isn't a big one at all. But if we saw the unraveling, it hasn't been much, and we had a short week anyway. So hopefully we can get something done on Thursday. Obviously, wouldn't expect a ton on Friday. We did have a nice trade today in Goldman Sachs. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures form. We'll go through the major daily charts, then we'll look at the intraday action, and then discuss what's left for the week. Crude oil up 25 cents to 53.54 off the lows. Gold down 20 cents. That's a blip. Note the 13 sell signal now in place on gold. S&P cash gained 15.86, new closing high after the gap up. NDX Nasdaq 100 up 88.93. SOX up 50.38. Trying to take out, it just closed above that risk line. Biotech's up 29.59, near all-time highs, looking at a breakout there. Russell 2000 up 9. The VIX down 45 cents. Trend closes at 0.68. That's a new low for recent times. Puts the 10-day moving average, though, still at 1.09. NASDAQ volume 2.4 billion shares. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 650. On the New York plus 201. So more stocks up than down. Google gains $5.43. Apple gains $4.62. Apple's been kind of gappy up here at this flat top area. Netflix down $1.59. I love how Apple warns and it still doesn't matter that much. Amazon up 14.55. I think that's a new closing high. In Amazon, Tesla back up 59.02, and that is a 13 sell signal on Tesla. So look at that. Facebook down 31 cents. Goldman Sachs up $4.12. We made our money there on a nice play. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, was literally down a penny. The Dow was up 115. In terms of intraday action, here's the 5-minute candles on the ES. So remember that Monday we had that non-holiday, so the futures market was kind of open without any volume for part of the day. We always ignore that. So last Friday's close to Tuesday's open was a gap down, headed lower, came back, closed inside the opening 5-minute candle. And then today we gapped up, so that gap from Friday's close is now filled. Went a little bit higher and came back and almost closed inside the opening 5-minute candle again. So net for the day, not a lot of action, unfortunately. Not what we like to see. Here's the NASDAQ side, which has been fairly flat. All right, so there's 2 days left, Thursday and Friday. Like I said, this is options expiration. I don't know if you could say we got unraveling, but it's not a triple expiration, so it doesn't have to be that exciting. In terms of the economic data coming out Thursday, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, initial and continuing jobless claims, 10 a.m. CB leading index, and then natty gas at 10:30 and crude oil at 11 a day later than normal because of the Monday holiday. And then on Friday, we've got flash manufacturing and services PMI numbers at 9:45, existing home sales at 10. Some Fed members speaking. The G20 meetings are this weekend, and we'll have a new market preview and everything at some point for next Monday over the weekend. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Thursday and Friday and a good week.